that as he gets ready to show you what style biking. And I've been telling you, don't try this around city, because these set of riders are the license holder to do this kind of style biking only on the right track with the right safety and security. So please don't try this around city, but it's illegal to do this. The holders here, they got the license, they perform only on a right track, and that's about it. So don't try this anywhere else.
In the back, sipping on Jack, flipping the strap, sipping through water, talking, rolling, Inglewood, the west side, California love, the California plug, got a nigga hanging above, move on, I might tell up in the 50 club, with my jeans on, my teeth flow, my slick on, and my smoke on, and go home with something to poke on, looking song for the 2 triple O, coming real, it's the next episode.